What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys what I've been up to with the SI. Now I know I've been doing a lot of EK videos, and it's because it is a lot easier to modify the other car, but today I'll show you guys all the mods for this car. So first things first, I've picked up a lot of stuff for the SI. Like, it's been months since I've had this stuff, so now it's time to show you guys what I've been like working on, so that this car is literally gonna have a whole new like look. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the stuff that I got. First things first, we do have the 09 to 11 coupe front end. It's the facelift. In this box, we have the HFP lit for it. Instead of running fog lights, I'm going to be running the carbon fiber vents. Got the grill, upper grill, lower grill here. Mugen side skirts. Let me show you guys the color that I've been hinting you guys about for the SI. So if you guys don't know, I've actually had the color sitting in my garage. It's been in multiple videos, so if you guys watch my videos and also follow me on IG down here, you guys would know the color already. It's been in the background in like a lot of my videos, and yeah. So we're gonna be going with the maroon red. It looks sick too, because in the light it looks really red, in the dark it looks maroon. So this is actually from Avery. It is their gloss burgundy color. So yeah, I think I got like 75 feet of this, 5 by 75 feet, so it's plenty of wrap to go around for the SI. Plus it'll give me extra just in case if I do need extra. So yeah, we're gonna be doing the wrap ourselves. I already have the stuff for the wrap job. I have all the little small equipment as well as the 3M knifeless tape. I want to get most of the front end done today so that I could work section by section. So first it's gonna be the front, sides, and then the rear, but we'll see how today goes, because this is the first time I am going to be wrapping the car, so we're not going to be doing any of the front end stuff yet. So let's get today started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clay bar the hood of the car, just so that it's a clean surface. I'm going to clay bar it, then spray it with a little bit of alcohol so that it gets rid of everything. Then after that we can start the wrap on the hood, because I really hate the hood on this car. Because I don't know if you guys know, there was a recall for crow's feet, as well as the 8th gens have a problem with the clear coat peeling. As you can see right here, there, everywhere. And every time I look at the car, I just get so disgusted by it. So by doing this, we'll finally get one color and no more splotchy paint. Alright, so for the detailer, I'll be using the Mother's Instant Detailer, as well as the Mother's Clay Bar Kit. And hopefully we'll only need one. Now what I have here is diluted alcohol, just to get everything off. That's Dylan for this, because he's the one who let me borrow this. But yeah, just gonna spray it down. Okay, we're gonna let this dry for like 5 minutes. This is gonna be my first time wrapping a car, and I really wanted to make sure I do it right, because I don't want to do it again. So with this, we do have a wrapping kit I got from Amazon. Now I know it's not like the name brand stuff, but I think it'll do for now, because it's just like a little wrapping kit. So I'm just gonna unbox this for you guys, or unbag it so you guys can see what I got. Alright, so first things first, what we have here is a squeegee. Now these do have the squeegee extra felts right here, as well as right here as well. This is that felt squeegee. This is gonna ensure that everything is all smooth and you don't scratch the wrap itself. Let's see what else we have here. We have more blades. We have the blade itself. This is a lot better than my the one I got from Harbor Freight, but extra blades do help. And we also have the super strong magnets. Alright guys, so we got the hood done. Me and Dylan's here, by the way. Hello. So here, can we put it down real quick? So this is the hood right now. It's not perfect. I won't show you the imperfections because you know, screw it. But yeah, this is the red. We got everything on here. Little. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, you probably can't. Oh dang! Oh, what is that, Bill Humbly? Oh, yeah, but that's as close as you're gonna get. First time wrapping it, and it looks okay from far away. And we'll leave it from far away for now because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the fenders. And yeah, look at that! Ooh. See, that's like in the dark, it's like maroon, but in the light, it's red. Alright guys, so we got most of the car done. We have the hood, we got the fender, and then we also have the side mirror, which looks pretty good, bro. It's like, daggum. So Dylan's gotta go home, but first what we're gonna do, since I'm gonna end the night too, because this took like what, 2 hours to do both? Probably. Around 2 hours to do this and this as well. So yeah, we're gonna leave it as is. I think it looks, it's good work for what we did tonight. This is going to be the new side skirts right here. This is the Mugen side skirts. And what it's going to look like, it's going to look like this. Right here. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be like bang. But yes, it's going to look like this. It's going to look really sick. Especially once it's all color matched. So, what we're going to do right now is we're actually going to test fit the new front bumper. I haven't even opened this from the first time I got it. This is the new. As you can see, that's the 09 to 11 front. And then, I don't know if you can see this, but right here, this is the part where the carbon fiber ducts will go. I'll go like this. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, woo! That shit look on fire. Mock up this new front bumper. Told you, dude, good reviews. If it fits that, it'll fit the front. Alright guys, so what we got going on right now is we have the new 09 front. It's not fully on yet because the brackets aren't there to bolt up to anything. I do have the upper grill and lower grill brackets too. And we do have the upper grill and lower grill already in the box that we could throw on tomorrow morning. But, as you can see, fitment's okay. It's not too bad, and no one's gonna see that. And, damn, this fits a lot better this side, bro. But it's fine. It's just because it's not all mounted up yet, so yeah, man. This car's looking mighty different. So soon it'll be all red, and it looks super bright red on camera, but in person it definitely is a little bit darker. Let's use the Mothers, man. So Mothers is like red, and this is like darker red. So red, yeah. Darker red. Overall, dude, pretty stoked. It looks pretty sick. That's the look on camera. Alright guys, this one is the lip. Same thing as the front bumper. This is eBay exclusive. So, meaning, this should be my lip. Imagine if it wasn't my lip, bro. I don't know how to open boxes. That's how you open a box, dude. You just... Alright, let's mop this up too. Alright guys, so as you can see, fitment's okay. Dylan kind of bent it up a lot. But it looks good. It's looking like a whole new car. As you can see, super aggressive. All it needs now is that lower lip from my 06 to 08 bumper, but other than that, it looks pretty good. Dang, I might as well smug up the carbon fiber thing too. Shablam. Boom. Okay, it's not perfect, but Damn. Okay, yeah, but as you can see, like that's all it was.